Imagine a world where machines can write stories, help doctors analyze medical data, assist programmers, and answer complex questions in seconds. Just a few years ago, that sounded like science fiction. But today, millions of people interact with artificial intelligence every single day. Behind much of that transformation is one organization, a research lab that started with a bold idea. Artificial intelligence should benefit all of humanity. This is the story of how OpenAI became one of the most influential forces in modern technology. Artificial intelligence didn't appear overnight. For decades, researchers worked on systems that could recognize patterns, learn from data, and solve problems. But progress was often slow. Computers were powerful, but not powerful enough. Data was limited, and many experts believed truly useful AI was still far in the future. Then things began to change. Advances in computing power, larger datasets, and breakthroughs in machine learning started pushing the field forward. Suddenly, AI wasn't just an academic experiment. It was becoming a real tool, one that could reshape industries, research, and everyday life. And in the middle of this transformation, a new organization appeared with a clear mission. OpenAI was founded in 2015 by a group of entrepreneurs, researchers, and technologists who believed artificial intelligence would become one of the most important technologies ever created. Their goal was simple but ambitious: develop artificial intelligence that benefits humanity as a whole. From the beginning, OpenAI positioned itself as a research-driven organization. Its team focused on advancing the science behind AI, while also thinking deeply about safety and long-term impact. Because powerful technology always comes with responsibility. The founders believed that if AI systems became extremely capable in the future, they should be developed carefully and shared in ways that benefit society. This philosophy shaped many of the organization's early decisions. In its early years, OpenAI focused on research. The team explored reinforcement learning, robotics, and large-scale neural networks. One famous early project involved training AI agents to play complex video games. These experiments helped researchers understand how machines could learn through trial and error. Another important milestone came from work on language models, systems trained to understand and generate human language. Language is one of the most difficult challenges in AI because it requires understanding context, meaning, and nuance. But progress in this area started accelerating. Researchers discovered that larger models trained on large data assets could develop surprisingly strong language abilities, and this insight would become one of the most important trends in modern AI. Over time, OpenAI began releasing increasingly capable AI systems. Some could generate text, others could help write code, and some could create images from simple descriptions. This new category of tools became known as generative AI. Instead of just analyzing information, these systems could create new content, stories, images, ideas, solutions. And suddenly, artificial intelligence felt much more personal and accessible. Students began using it to learn, and developers used it to build software faster. Businesses experimented with new ways to automate tasks. For many people, this was the first time they interacted directly with advanced AI. As AI tools became easier to use, their impact spread quickly. Companies began integrating AI into products and services. Developers built applications powered by AI models. Researchers used AI to assist with scientific work. Creative professionals experimented with new forms of digital creation. And everyday users discovered new ways to explore ideas and solve problems. What once required specialized knowledge could now be accessed through a simple conversation with an AI system. This shift helped bring artificial intelligence from research labs into daily life. But with that influence also came important questions. Every powerful technology in history has raised new challenges. The internet changed communication. Smartphones changed how we live and work. And artificial intelligence is now raising similar questions. How should AI be used responsibly? How do we ensure it provides helpful and accurate information? How do we design systems that respect safety and ethics? Organizations working on AI, including OpenAI, have emphasized the importance of studying these questions carefully. Developing powerful technology is only part of the challenge. Ensuring that technology benefits people is just as important. This is why discussions about AI safety, transparency, and responsible use have become central topics in the field. Beyond the technology itself, the story of OpenAI also reflects deeper lessons about innovation. First, ambitious ideas often start with small teams. Many major breakthroughs begin with researchers who believe something important is possible. Second, progress happens through collaboration. AI development involves scientists, engineers, designers, and many other specialists working together. No single person builds technology like this alone. And third, long-term thinking matters. When a technology has the potential to shape the future, short-term success isn't enough. Responsible innovation requires patience, research, and careful decision-making. These lessons apply not only to artificial intelligence, but to any field where technology and human creativity meet. Today, AI continues to evolve rapidly. Researchers are exploring new architectures, better training methods, and ways to make AI systems more reliable and useful. Businesses are experimenting with AI-powered tools. Educators are studying how AI can support learning, and scientists are investigating how artificial intelligence can assist in solving complex global problems. The future of AI is still being written. What is clear is that organizations like OpenAI have played an important role in bringing the technology from theory into everyday use. But the next chapter will be shaped not only by researchers, it will also be shaped by the people who use these tools. When people think of powerful companies, they often imagine factories, buildings, or massive infrastructure, but the most powerful organizations of the digital age often build something different: ideas. OpenAI began as a research initiative focused on advancing artificial intelligence. Over time, its work helped accelerate one of the most important technological shifts of our era. Yet the real story isn't just about one company. It's about the global community of scientists, engineers, and thinkers, exploring what intelligent machines can do and how they should be used. Because technology alone doesn't shape the future. People do. Curiosity does. Responsibility does. And as artificial intelligence continues to evolve, one thing remains certain: the most important discoveries are still ahead.